So I would definitely say that, yeah, especially when you got a little one, the speed and ease of setting it up is amazing. No bag to take off. Yeah, really nice. It's 2 straps and the lock, and that's it. Pull it out all the way. It's good. Got my install buddy here today. She's gonna supervise and make sure I don't do anything too crazy. Rivian. So we have 2 on each end. Can you read it for me? It says hardware inside, do not trash. Got another box with some good quality nuts and bolts, probably to go with the tracks or the mounts. She's trying to give a positive review for Jerry Rig Everything's knife. So thanks for that. Good reminder. Okay, so there's no paper instructions. I'm gonna snatch my phone off of your face and take a look for instructions online on exactly how those pieces are supposed to go together. Okay, we're back. She's all happy again. Pooped. And let's try this again. Okay, so there's 2 of these kits. You get this piece and this piece. You get the square nuts, the long bolts and the short bolts. If you go to the website, you can see, but it mounts on the inside of here, and these hooks go over a bolt as well. So you don't need a nut to go on the other side of the long bolts. It's very exciting. It just threads through, and the other side is threaded, so it screws right into it and tightens up with this piece in the middle. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure I could have figured it out. Maybe. But I didn't want to screw anything up. So before I did, I went and checked online. Okay. Got it mounted. Put the square pieces on the bottom. And keep the hooks separate. Then just put them loosely in the slides at the back. Don't bother measuring. Hang one side and then slide the other one down and hang that. It's heavy, it's like 40-50 pounds, but it's not a problem. I'm not some buff warrior, and I could do it, so I'm sure most people can. Then that way you don't have to measure and all the rest of it. You can just hang it right on there and tighten it up in place once you've slid it back and forth and made sure it's in the right place. Kind of cool. There we go. I thought they'd sent me the wrong one. I ordered a tan one, and the front here is black. But if you look at the top, it's the tan, like I like I ordered. All right, it's keeping us in the shade.
Hi, Dad. I'm making Dewey School for Dad.
Cool.
So I can make a sand castle.
Awesome. So it's keeping us in the shade, as you can see. And it's breezy. You might be able to hear that on camera, I don't know. It's breezy. But it's not making noise or winging around or anything. It doesn't seem unstable. So, kind of cool. Super fast and easy. Yeah, you can't beat that. And like I said, you can take it off when you get home, so you don't have it up there all the time. But pretty cool. So that's a total pain to put away when it's windy. Maybe if there was a hand crank or something on the side to reel it in. Otherwise, the spring isn't strong enough. So what I did was just slowly turn the vehicle so that the wind was blowing away from, like, over the top of the awning. That way, when you pull it and release it back in, it's a little easier. It was still a little tough. So when it's windy, and like I said, it's not windy right now, but it's been gusty today, then it's kind of a pain to put away, but pretty awesome. It still works really well. It's nice and easy to deploy and put back in under ideal circumstances. If it was really windy, I don't know what I would do other than maybe take it off and try and store it inside or something. I don't know. All right, so to detach it, you're just gonna remove the screw at the bottom, since this is a hook. So the bottom screw on each side, and then this whole thing will tilt and lift off. It's okay. It's supposed to get a little sandy. That's all right. Cleans up.